Today's version of front clip presentation is a 2021 Mercedes GLA. This is in the prep stage, getting ready to get wrapped up. This one is being shipped halfway across the country to Wisconsin. So my guy's gonna go through it and build a custom skid. That's a whole separate cost, of course. But if you're picking up a Mercedes front, GLA in particular, this is exactly how it's gonna be presented and ready to go. Dash is out, as you can see. It's not gonna be hanging off the edge of the dock here. We're just a little overwhelmed at this point inside, so space is limited. So to keep it safe, it's sitting out here for now. So get to go over it in the sunlight, have a good look at it. We're looking for scratches on lenses. We're looking for dings in the hood or fenders, cracks in the bumper, anything like that. This one is noted to have some damage along the bottom chrome section, which we disclosed already, which is quite normal. Otherwise, everything on this looks really, really nice. Grille's in good shape, headlights are in good shape. Fenders are clean, no damage on the hood. Get you under the hood here in just a second. You can see what you can expect. So a lot of it is already sitting in the shipping prep area. We take the whole bag out. Air filter, housing, tubing, all of that stuff is already out. The rest of it's left intact. The rad condenser, the fans, AC lines. Sometimes you find motor mounts. The overflow bottle is there, fuse box, lots of hoses, wiring, firewall, everything underneath. So if you need anything like this, give me a call, 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. My name's Jared. Thanks for watching.